Our rate field is currently in yellow. This indicates a rate change during the guest's stay. To view the rates by day and make any changes to the rates, select the ellipsis button to the right of the rate field. Select Daily Details to view all rates during this guest's stay. The Daily Details screen shows you the rate for each day of the guest's stay. The day of a rate change highlights in yellow. When you manually update the rate for a guest, you may also need to set it as a fixed rate. Select Edit to update rate information. In the rate field, manually enter the rate you would like for this night of the guest's stay. The rate will apply until the date shown in the Update Through field. Click in the Update Through field and enter the last date for which the rate is valid. Also, notice the Fixed Rate box shows the check mark. Fixed rate prevents the rate from updating back to the rate code amount. Select OK to save the changes and continue with the rate change. Select Yes on the warning screen to continue with the rate change. The multiple rate screen now shows the update of the rate through the last night of the reservation. Select OK to complete the rate change. Now the guest has the same rate each night of the stay. Therefore, the rate field is no longer yellow. Also notice the Fixed Rate box shows the check mark. We chose this option during the rate change process. Let's practice the simple. Next, you will learn how to set up a share reservation. This allows multiple guests in the same room to share financial responsibility. Select Options to begin a share reservation, and then select Shares. The reservation that you accessed options through highlights. To create a share, select Combine. A prompt appears asking if you want to copy the payment details. Select No. First, choose either Profile or Reservation. Choosing Profile will create a new reservation to add to the share. Choosing Reservation will combine an existing reservation to create the share. In this example, we are locating a profile. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the name field to locate the profile for the second guest. Enter the last name of the guest sharing the reservation and then select Search. Highlight the profile and select OK. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Payment field to choose a payment method for the reservation. Highlight Visa for the payment method and select OK. Enter the credit card number and expiration date and then select OK. There are 3 options for sharing the room and tax on the reservation. The first is Entire. This option posts room and tax for both guests sharing the reservation to one reservation. The second option is Split. This will split the room and tax equally between all reservations within the share. The third option is Full. This option posts room and tax for each guest sharing the reservation in the full amount. In this case, we will choose Entire. After you select the option for the room and tax sharing, select OK to complete the share. Select Close to close the reservation options window. The reservation now has an asterisk and a lamp indicating that it is part of a share. Let's practice creating a